Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the very last vlog of our Lapland trip. So in this vlog we are traveling first to Oslo, and once we reached we saw that some Halloween party was going on, and this was the whole night scene in Oslo.
I did it! One more step.
Oh my god! Wow!
So we got up to a fresh, beautiful morning and we decided to walk around the city. We were staying at Hotel Verdandi in Oslo, which was quite in the city center. And the first stop was visiting the statue of Franklin D. Roosevelt. And during the time we went, they had put up this amazing cosmos light installation which looked very beautiful in the evening. Why is there a statue of him in Oslo, you may ask? So Roosevelt was the longest serving US president, and this statue stands as a tribute to his support of Norway during World War II. Our hotel was located very close to the harbor, and we were blessed with this amazing view. As we walked down, we noticed that most of the shops were closed on that day. It was not a Sunday, but I think it was a public holiday, because on Sundays and public holidays, shops are generally closed in Oslo. Only a few grocery shops were open and some Global Blue tax-free shops.
This year,
Yeah?
seagull
Yeah.
children this year.
Okay.
That's why they have this color.
Okay.
Then we stumbled upon a square where there were a lot of stores for tourists, but unfortunately they were all shut down.
Video uçacak. Zakrzyczę koronnego.
The weather that day was so good, and we walked nearly, I think, 25,000-26,000 steps easily. But we never felt it because the whole vibe of the city is so nice and peaceful. And this building right here is the Opera House in Oslo. And then we walked some more and stumbled upon this residential area, and there was a little park where children were playing along with their parents, and it was so fun to watch. And then came Oslo Cathedral. This place had a spooky vibe, but we went inside for a bit and sat on a bench and spent some time there. And in the evening, we took a full circle and came back to where we started in the morning. And this place looks even amazing in the evening at night when the lights are on. And with that, the night in Oslo ended and we headed back to our hotel afterwards. And in the morning, we had a flight back to Kolkata. In Doha, we had a 19-hour layover and we had to spend the entire night at the airport. And there are certain quiet sleeping rooms over there where you can spend the night without any charges. In the morning, we roamed about the airport and did some damage to our bank balance with some shopping, and then we had our lunch. And finally, we had our flight back to Kolkata from Doha. It felt good to be back. And with that, the Lapland trip comes to an end. Stay tuned for my upcoming adventures. Until then, bye bye.